It's time for another building series of videos, and this time we're going to be focusing on automating your renewal pipeline. So just like the last time, today I'm going to do an overview and the building block. Tomorrow we'll cover the steps of the building process, and then we're going to go through the design of the renewal process, which I'll give you a little preview to here. One second, I'm not able to grab that. Here we go. There we go. So getting that going, and then creating a list of all of your asset needs, just like last time, and then actually putting the best order of operations for getting your build done. So now let's take a look at what are these building blocks. So what we're going to need a renewal process. So we'll cover that. You don't have to use all of these. So I'll definitely mention what's optional. So surveys, emails to deliver surveys, sequence email copy for renewals, landing pages with an early renewal offer, emails with an early renewal offer, if that's part of your process. Ideally, you would have Sales, Service, and Marketing Hub Pro. However, we can do this with just Sales Hub Pro. We would just have way less automation, right? If you have Sales Hub Enterprise, we can auto-enroll in sequences. That's going to give us the most automation. So ideal automation would be to have Sales, Enterprise, Service, and Marketing Pro. But with Sales Hub Pro, you can do this. All right. And then the tools we're going to use: forms, emails, workflows, meeting links, smart content, calculated properties, lists, custom properties, record design so that we can see the important information on the left during our renewals. So, this is for our CS, our key account managers, our account managers. We want them to be able to see what are our client satisfaction, scores, what is the NPS score, have we had any sort of complaints, or, have we had a review from this customer that was positive? Well, how are we going to know the health of the account, right? Okay. And then pipeline stages, and then call intelligence is helpful again. So you can go through calls and see what the sentiment was. You can do some really cool stuff here, and you can connect to we can push this information from emails, for example, using Zapier through OpenAI, which is what ChatGPT is built on, so that we can see what the sentiment is. Okay. And then what's our build process? So we're going to have, actually this is covered tomorrow, but I guess we can jump ahead, right? So outlining the steps to the renewal process, creating a list of what assets are needed per step, add your automations to your diagram, create your assets and organize them into folder, and then build your process automations, naming mechanisms, all that, and store them in folders. So of course, the step that we added here is the planning your build, which is a really important step. So we'll do that again this time. So stay tuned. Tomorrow, since I already covered building process, I guess we'll just merge day 1 and 2, and we'll start jumping right into our designing the renewal process. So I'll see you for that tomorrow.